Hello, everybody. Happy Thanksgiving. I am here to share with you some tips on how to save money during Thanksgiving. So the price of everything has gone so high. The price of everything is so expensive. And especially when you have kids and you want to make a nice holiday for them, you want tips on how to save money. But first of all, I want to let you all know what I'm thankful for. I am so thankful for having over 1,000 subscribers. So thank you very much for being a subscriber. And I am also thankful for having over 30,000 views. I'm so thankful for that, amongst other things, of course. So now, and one more thing, I can't forget to thank those people who buy t-shirts from me to support this channel. People who buy t-shirts from Parents Are Us .store. I am so thankful for that. And of course, for all those people who book Diamonds the Magical Clown to entertain their kids in Northeast Ohio at different events. I am so thankful. There's a lot of good news that I wanted to share with you all, and you're a big part of it. You're a big part of it. Okay, so now the tips for Thanksgiving. Okay, well, if you're trying to save money, the one thing that you are going to look at is how many people are you having? How many people are you going to invite for Thanksgiving? Now, that has a lot to do with how much money is going to be spent on food. Now, if you're on a budget, a good idea that a lot of people feel saves money is to let everyone bring a dish. Now, when you do this, you want to make sure that you talk with everyone and let them know what you need so that you don't show up with, everybody bringing, let's say, noodle casserole, okay? Or you don't want to have a situation where everyone brings meat and no one brings any vegetables, unless you just don't want vegetables. But anyway, so you want to call everyone and let them know what your, what's on the menu. So anyway, a traditional Thanksgiving menu. Now, this is what I'm having, and this is what a lot of people want to have. Everybody wants to have a turkey. Now, if you're on a budget and you say, well, these turkeys are too expensive, what you can do is buy turkey thighs or chicken thighs. And what I do is I put cream of mushroom soup on the chicken or turkey thighs. Or if you have children that are too young to really know the difference between a turkey and a chicken, one thing I did when my son was younger, I bought some Cornish hens, and I bought two, one for me, one for him. They were small Cornish hens, but we continued to base those chicken, Cornish hens, and it tasted delicious. It was great. It tasted delicious. So some people want to have two meats. That's fine. But if that gets too expensive for you, then everybody's going to be fine with having turkey thighs or chicken thighs. I hope that they like chicken. So anyway, after that, okay, I don't like greens. I mean, green beans. That's what I meant to say. I don't like green beans. But if you don't like green beans, and one thing I do is I put cream of mushroom soup on it. That way it drowns out the taste of the green beans. So if you want your kids to eat nutritiously, you can do that. Maybe I think they'll like it. But I like greens. I like collard greens, spinach, kale, any kind of greens. Okay, very nutritious. And then of course the stuffing, I get the stuffing from the box. Okay, yeah, I like the stuffing from the box. And some people think about, do they want cornbread or do they want muffins? Well, what I do is I get cornbread stuffing. That way you get the taste of the cornbread and you also have the stuffing. Now, macaroni and cheese, that's a favorite of everyone's. People love macaroni and cheese. Many people do. If you have any recipes, or if you have any suggestions, or if there's anything that I'm leaving out of this video, let me know in the comments. If you have any tips on saving money on Thanksgiving, just put that in the comments. I would be more than happy to read that and respond to it. So now, if you are having a smaller group for Thanksgiving, one way that you can save money is if you buy the boneless chicken thighs and you chop them up. If you chop them up and then you bake it, put it in the oven, put some cream of mushroom soup on it, you will find that your meat goes farther. It will stretch. Okay, so that's one thing that I find very economical. And the last thing is, okay, many people try to decide between, well, some people have sweet potato pie and they also have candy yams. Now, if you're on a budget, well, the economical thing to do would be to choose one, and you probably choose the dessert, sweet potato pie, because the same ingredients that you would put in candied yams is also in sweet potato pie. So that would probably be very economical for you. Now, like I said before, in the comments, just leave me a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. Let me know what you think about other videos. And don't forget to like and share and subscribe. If you never saw this channel before, you can subscribe and tell all your friends. I'm trying to give out helpful tips to parents, mainly parents, but anyone who can benefit from saving money. Have them watch my video. And I guess that's it for now. And one more time, if you want a t-shirt that expresses your parenting side, just go to my store. The address is parentsareus.store, and you can find t-shirts, coffee mugs, and tote bags. And these make very nice gifts. So that's it for now. And I hope to see you all in the next video.